then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's strange, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I needed this he touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you.
So I'm at the nail salon and I'm gonna get my nails done. They are a mess. Yeah, so I'm waiting on my turn. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but we're gonna keep it real simple. I think after this time I'm gonna take them off and do something short. But yeah, I'm just gonna refill them now. I literally got my appointment this morning, so you know, I'm getting my hair done. Well, I'm gonna do my hair and all of that good stuff. So I want my nails to be done, and this one was lifting because, you know, almost smashed it in the door. But yeah, I'll show you guys how I'm getting it done. It looked really awful, right? but I did love how she did it. She did an amazing job. My style, real classy, cute, trendy. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my turn.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We have it, that's all take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We have it, that's all take you there, take you there. Please be don't just be nothing you be that. I want you to give to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing you be that. I want you to give to me,
All right, guys, we are at the mall. Me and Janae and baby Olivia. We only have 30 minutes, to be honest, because Janae has practice, but she has her graduation this Wednesday. I did buy a dress, but it needed alteration, and the person who should be doing the alteration, they're not working for 3 weeks. So I decided to come. We're gonna check out Zara and H&M to see if we can find something that fits her, hopefully in 30 minutes, because we have to go back for practice. So we're here. We're at the Florida Mall. Baby Olivia is here. That's Ginny right there. And we are gonna see. She's sleeping. We are gonna see if we can find anything, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly hot like a sauna. Busting up and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water glass. See cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bagging money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run up with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to Medellin. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest.
Listen, people, Zara is a crazy ass place. You believe that they're charging you 10 cents for a bag now? Listen, you better put that thing in the stroller. I'm not paying no 10 cents for a paper bag. Are you crazy? You know what? Too much people buying from them, so they think that, oh, we can do whatever. Nah, I put that dress right in the stroller. We're in H&M right now, and I'm gonna see. We did get something at Zara. Something cute, simple, but we're gonna see. That's the men's section. We're gonna see if H&M have anything. So let's go. This is ridiculous. There's music playing, so bye. Okay guys, we are leaving the mall. Quick in, quick out, because she has practice. I get something real simple, cute. You know, it's not nothing fussy. When you're in America, you see people just dress simple. So the dress is real simple and cute. Yeah, so she might wear that. I have another dress, but it needs alteration, like I said. So tomorrow what I'm gonna try and do is see if another person can do it, because our graduation actually moved from the Wednesday until the Thursday. I think we have a little bit more time. Hopefully they can take a day to do it. It's not much needed, and then she could wear that one. If not, she can wear this one. Which one you like more, this one or the one at the house?
The one at the house.
Yes, the one at the house have a little flair to it, so we're gonna see if that one can be fixed. I should have, you know, just bring it this morning and not wait, but then the day is done. I know they're closed, so yeah, we're just gonna wait. Come across. All right guys, I'll keep you guys posted. We're going to practice now, and I'll see you guys once we're there. Where did I park, by the way? Is it this side or over that side? Oh, all right guys, bye. See Olivia, wake up. Say hi, mommy, baby. Look at her. She's just smiling away. Hi, pretty girl. All right, guys. Bye.